So whenever we're doing an electrical outlet and we don't want to struggle with the wire nuts, we got this quick connectors, wire connectors that is a lot nicer because you can open them up, pull your wire in, tie it up, and it's quick and easy to use. So we got this 60-piece set that we're going to try out.
No?
Okay.
So we can know which one's hot. Look, test it out. Like